Aisha, isn't this cute? Oh wow, that's adorable. Huh? Oh my god, my chips are finished. Do you have any money?
No, I finished my lunch money already.
What are they doing?
What you are doing?
Nothing, not really.
You sure?
Yes.
What's that? Can I some?
No, I already kind of finished it. Do you have any money?
No, I don't have it.
Wait. Chips? Watermelon? I think I have an idea.
Hello to all the people who are watching this right now. My name is Aina, the one who's doing the voiceover. Today I'm gonna explain about our innovative idea, which is watermelon rind chips. First of all, I will tell you guys about my team members and mentor. Firstly, Damia, next is Alia, and lastly Aisha. My mentor's name is Cikgu Mufasan. We are all from SMK Merah in Kulim, Kedah. First of all, the problem statement. Watermelon rinds are often discarded as food waste despite being edible and containing valuable nutrition. This not only contributes to environmental waste, but also represents a missed opportunity to create a healthy and sustainable food product. There is a lack of awareness and innovation in utilizing food byproducts like watermelon rinds for value-added products. Therefore, there is a need to develop an innovative solution to reduce food waste by transforming watermelon rinds into nutritious and appealing chips. Problem solving. Students can choose a more healthy choice because of the rinds containing vitamin. We can control the unhealthy things. For example, sugar, salt, and other seasonings of our choice. Here is our product scratch. Things we use: watermelon rinds, seasonings like spices, sugar, MSG, and salt. SDG. We can use ovens to dry the watermelon rinds. Food waste. We use watermelon rinds to change to healthy chips. Solving the problem. We have created a healthy snacks that transform watermelon rinds, normally discarded as waste, into crispy, flavorful chip. This upcycling process not only reduces food waste, but also supports sustainability and creative food innovation. By peeling, slicing, and seasoning the white part of the rind, we turn it into a tasty chips that can be air-dried or baked, offering a nutritious, eco-friendly alternative to conventional snacks. Our product turns agricultural waste into value-added food, promoting environmental awareness while providing a delicious way to fight food loss.